In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create alert reminders in Monday.com. This powerful feature helps you stay on top of your tasks and projects by keeping you alerted at just the right moments. So let's dive in and see how you can set up these reminders efficiently. First things first, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Once there, select the Google Login option if you want a quick and easy way to connect using your Google account, which many users find to be a convenient choice. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the board where you want to create these alert reminders. This is where all your tasks and projects are organized. So make sure you're on the right page for the project you have in mind. Now, you're ready to start setting up your automation. Look towards the top right corner of your board and click on the Automate button. This feature unlocks a world of possibilities for enhancing efficiency and productivity in your workflow on Monday.com. Next, click on the Create Automation drop-down menu. This will provide you with options to choose from, with templates readily available to cater to different needs. To make things easier, opt for the Create from Templates option. This selection allows you to utilize predefined structures, making it easier to customize without starting from scratch. Once you've chosen to work from a template, move over to the Dates tab. This is where you can specify the timing and conditions for your reminder alerts, crucial for ensuring you're getting notified at just the right moments. Now it's time to choose the specific automation that aligns with your needs. When you find one that suits your requirements, click on the Use Template button. This action will incorporate this template into your existing board. From here, you can configure the reminder parameters. This step is critical as it allows you to set the timing, frequency, and specific conditions for your alerts to be triggered. Think about what timings are most valuable for you to be reminded of certain tasks or deadlines. Finally, click on Create Automation and Publish to make your settings live. Once clicked, your alert reminder system is now set up and ready to help you manage your tasks more effectively. You've now streamlined a key part of project management that will keep you in the loop at all critical junctures. Congratulations! You've successfully created alert reminders in Monday.com, which will undoubtedly help you stay organized and keep track of your important tasks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of Monday.com's features to maximize your productivity.